right, so now we're much better off. We got some more examples for our analysis. And we can go run our simulation. So we'll go ahead and we can give this a name. We'll call it pre-mitigated. And we'll click run. And you can run a Monte Carlo, you can run a Latin hypercube. We do support both calculations. The Latin hypercube will reach convergence a little bit quicker. So you can run fewer iterations, so that's always nice. And there's a little delay here just to switch over. Again, I think this is due to this streaming here. And when the results load up, we put you right into the completion date distribution chart.